Good morning. Welcome everybody. We're going to do a quick video on old Tweety here. We're going to be replacing the front stabilizer. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. We're going to take it for a quick test drive and take her down to the shop and get started. See you soon. Alright, so here we are. Took it for a ride real quick. This is my daughter's daily driver, my weekend toy. So I just wanted to get a feel for the steering. Before we did our swap out, this is the existing. Looks like it's the original. It's got about 218,000 miles on it. She's probably ready to be changed out. So I just went on Amazon, find a compatible steering stabilizer, dampener, whatever you want to call it, and grab this Ranchero. Pretty sure it matches up with the shocks that I upgraded on it. Nothing crazy. So this is what comes in the box, and I saw a couple of YouTube videos and we'll see how she goes. First thing I gotta do is take this nut off, pop that off, and then take this nut out and go from there. Alright, we got the cotter pin off. Now we'll go ahead and take this nut off. So this bolt is tapered. So I purchased a helpful tool, hopefully, and we'll use that to pop this out. There's no sense in me taking any of this apart because all this is getting replaced with new hardware and a steering stabilizer. Alright, so I just have that hand tight on there. We'll put a wrench on here and hopefully she just pops right off. First time using one. Yay! Here we go. And bam, there she is. Easy peasy. Alright, we're ready to take off the second bolt. An 18 and a 15, I think it is, to get this sucker off. Here we go. She was a little stubborn, but we got her. All in one piece. That's it. She's out. Clean her up. Put the next one in. Alright, we got the hardware provided. Got the directions. Got the nut and the cotter pin, just like what was in there before. Got the tapered end. Put it in there. Hard to do one-handed, so we'll put that on at the proper torque specs and put the cotter pin in and go to the next section. Yay! Alright, we got the proper spec, got the proper socket, and we go until we hear 2 clicks. There it is. That's all. Yay! And the hole even lines up for my cotter pin. Almost. Just gotta adjust it tiny bit. Looks like I need to put a washer on first. I am a horrible camera guy. I'm gonna have to work on that. Alright. I'll get up there, make sure everything's nice, good. We'll make sure that we get this in there. Whoa, it's hard to do one-handed, but I'll be back. Alright, I put in my old hardware. Fits like a champ. Go ahead and tighten her down. Alrighty. She's done. She's in. So we'll go take her for a test drive and see how different she is. Stay tuned. Alright, just got back from the test drive. And I'll tell you this, there was nothing wrong before. I just felt as many miles that were on it, it was time to replace it as a maintenance item. And I did notice that there is definitely less jitteriness in the steering wheel. Not that it was bad before, but with the new stabilizer or dampener, however you want to call it, there's definitely less jitteriness in the steering wheel. And it was just minor, just little fidgets, you know, of the steering wheel. Again, there wasn't an issue, but now with this new dampener, it definitely improved the steering wheel feel. So I'm very happy with it. It was inexpensive. It was less than 50 bucks. You could probably do it in an hour if you have the right tools. That I did have that one new tool that I purchased. It was less than $15, I think, to pop that off. There's other ways to do it. I will tell you, I am not a mechanic. I do not do this for a living. I'm just a backyard mechanic and work on my own stuff when I can. Save money and to make my vehicles last longer. But don't tear me up on the internet. I feel that YouTube videos are important so people can research them and get everybody's point of view on their experiences and make their own decisions on what works best for them. So again, this is just my point of view of me changing out the steering stabilizer on a 2006 TJ. I hope you enjoyed it.